Hey there, thank you for joining us. It's great to have you here.
And there's one thing that we all have in common, which I think that we can all agree on, which is our breath. Okay, yet we can't help but notice it's one of the biggest oversights when it comes to our priorities. We take it for granted, even though we know that it keeps us alive and it's the most important function we have.
Yeah, just a bit, right? So today we're going to give you the skills and knowledge to improve the quality of your breath, which will boost your vitality and enhance all of the other good things you're already doing for yourself.
Now, breathing is at the forefront of our health. It affects everything that we do. Think of it like the CEO of a company. If the CEO is ineffective, every other department suffers. Our breath is like the CEO of our body. If it is ineffective, every other system suffers.
So true. For example, if we don't breathe effectively, our brain can't function at its best, can it? We can suffer with poor digestion, we can experience poor quality thinking, we can have a poor mind-body connection, which affects our movement and behaviours, just to name a few.
Basically, so when you aren't getting the results we want, or living a state of stress, tiredness and fatigue, or if we are thinking negatively, feeling bloated, experiencing pain, be it physical or emotional, then our breath is the first place we should be looking to correct these issues.
Absolutely. If we don't correct the breath, we end up living in a reactive mode rather than a proactive mode. And so the starting point in improving this is by refining your natural breath, which you use every day.
And step one is to observe your normal breathing pattern when you are driving, working, watching TV, and going about your normal day. You may notice that you breathe fast and shallow, or you may notice you breathe slow and deep, or through the mouth or through the nose. At this point, it doesn't really matter what you notice. Just simply become aware of your natural pattern.
Step 2 is to then begin to practice breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. This will ensure you're not losing any water and dehydrating yourself through mouth exhalation.
And step 3 is to start by focusing on your breathing pace by breathing in through the nose for 5 seconds and out through the nose for 5 seconds. The goal is to average out 10 to 12 breaths per minute. And that's it. It's as simple as that to refine your natural breath to become more effective.
By breathing through the nose, you will put your system into a healthy state so you can function at your optimum. When you're in this state, your body is free from stress and you will be supporting a healthy internal environment for all your visceral systems to integrate and work together effectively.
And by committing to this breathing pattern, your body will respond and be thanking you in only 3 minutes, and then you'll start to notice even more benefits.
In 3 minutes, benefits like increased energy, better sleep, improved digestion, reduced cravings, consistent moods, better concentration and focus.
You'll also expand your connection with others naturally, which will improve both relationships, both personally and professionally, including your relationship with yourself.
Oh yes.
Okay, overall a way more resourceful perspective on life.
Now, once you've mastered your natural breath, you can start to play with other techniques for more specific results.
There are many, many different breathing techniques out there which all promote basically many different outcomes.
For example, you may want to experience stress relief or deep healing, emotional release, improve creativity, relieve tension, or just enhance relaxation.
And the list goes on and on. But in order to indulge in more techniques, you need to teach yourself how to connect the mind and body so you can execute the techniques effectively and efficiently.
Definitely. So this next breathing pattern we're going to teach you is the foundation breath. This breath is essential before jumping into any other techniques. It trains your mind and body to activate the relevant areas needed to support further breath work. It's like learning to walk before you can run. It teaches you how to breathe fully and completely.
And the starting point of this breath pattern is to understand that we have 3 zones in which we breathe. Okay, these 3 zones are the sections of the torso. So we have the belly, the rib cage, and the chest.
And our goal with this breath is to fill up the air from our torso, right, from the bottom up, just like filling up an empty jar. We fill the belly first, followed by the rib cage, and then the chest.
And breathing it into the belly is great for easing tension and releasing anxiety.
Breathing into the ribs is great for fully oxygenating the body, calming the nervous system, and boosting the immune system.
And breathing into your chest is great for soothing panic and sadness and regulating the heartbeat.
So let's give it a try. So step 1, make sure you are sitting up straight, relax your shoulders and jaw.
Step 2 is to slowly start to inhale into your belly, okay, until your belly is full.
Step 3 is then to continue the inhale into the ribs until your rib cage is full.
And then step 4 is continue the inhale into the chest until you are completely full.
And step 5 is then to exhale all the way out and repeat this continuously until it feels easy to do.
Now, if you feel a little dizzy at first, that's okay. It's just your brain getting a bit more oxygen than it's used to, and it will slowly pass. It's completely normal, and we urge you to go at your own pace.
Absolutely. Mastering this breathing pattern will strengthen your system to be able to pick up further breathing techniques easily and effortlessly.
So in summary, we need to prioritize our breath to make sure everything else is working efficiently. Okay, so we always want to start by refining our natural breath and progress into the foundation breath so we can continue to grow effectively from here.
By making your breath a priority and committing to improving your natural breath every day and learning the foundational breath work, you will not only enhance the efficiency of your internal systems, you will open yourself up to endless possibilities in the expansion of your health and wellness.
So thanks for joining us. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments or reach out to us directly and let us know how your breathing practice goes.
We would love to hear from you and we can't wait to see how it's going for you. So until next time, much love and wellness. Take care.
Bye.